This video is for those who thinks embryology is tough to study. Let's use the illustrative way to learn embryology with DentoVision. Question 1. Most common cause of cleft lip. A. Failure of fusion of maxillary and mandibular process. B. Failure of fusion of medial nasal and maxillary process. C. Failure of fusion of lateral nasal and maxillary process. Or D. Failure of fusion of palatal shelves. Answer is B. Cleft lip occurs due to failure of medial nasal process to fuse with maxillary process. Question 2. Upper lip is formed by A. Maxillary process only, B. Medial nasal process only, C. Medial nasal plus maxillary process, D. Lateral nasal process. Answer is C. Remember, philtrum is equal to medial nasal, whereas lateral parts is equal to maxillary process. Question 3. Which arch give rise to muscle of mastication? A. First, B. Second, C. Third, or D. Fourth. Answer is A. First arch, also known as Meckel's cartilage, supplies muscle of mastication and trigeminal nerve. Question 4. Nerve of second pharyngeal arch. A. Trigeminal, B. Facial, C. Glossopharyngeal, or D. Vagus. Answer is B. Facial. Also known as Richard cartilage, muscles of facial expressions and facial nerve. Question 5. Derivative of third pharyngeal pouch. A. Inferior parathyroid plus thymus, B. Superior parathyroid, C. Thyroid gland, or D. Palatine tonsils. Answer is A. Third pouch also give rise to dorsal wing, which is inferior parathyroid, ventral wing, which is thymus. Question 6. Which pouch forms palatine tonsil? A. First, B. Second, C. Third, or D. Fourth. Answer is B. Second pouch. Epithelial lining is lead to palatine tonsils. Question 7. External auditory meatus develops from A. First pouch, B. First cleft, C. Second pouch, or D. Second cleft. Answer is B. First cleft, which is lead to external auditory meatus, whereas first pouch leads to middle ear cavity. Question A. Which arch forms stylopharyngeus muscle? A. First, B. Second, C. Third, or D. Fourth. Answer is C. Want to master these high yield anatomy concepts in minutes? Then don't scroll. Hit like, share and subscribe right now. Get daily NEET MD's exam focused visuals that make complex topics ridiculously easy. Stay ahead of the competition with DentoVision by Dr. Rahul Tiwari, where smart students